Look at this background. Obviously, I'm not in a real space and it's pretty easy to spot it. As a rule, trying to trick audiences with green screen is a bit daft because frankly, audiences aren't fooled and because most of the time it's done badly and looks cheap anyway. But there are ways to use green screen that are effective, and as long as you're using it for what it does well, green screen can give you a lot of options. Be warned though, it's a bigger edit than shooting live action in a real studio. Just so you know, if you subscribe, you'll catch an upcoming video on shooting correctly for a green screen. But for now, here's the pros and cons of green screen filming versus real background so you can start planning. A real background is easy to set up and get right for beginners. You'll look more authentic because the world around you is real and you'll look part of it. Real backgrounds make for a simpler edit. What you see on the viewfinder is pretty much what you'll get afterwards. If you can learn green screen lighting and good chroma keying skills in the edit, you can introduce some really consistent looks that will help your overall brand. Text and graphics become more dynamic, colors from your branding can be incorporated, and lots of layering and relevant backgrounds can help with storytelling. But the color separation that goes on in the edit to remove the background green is a bit like learning a language. Easy to say a few words and say them confidently, but everyone else is going to notice how bad you really are. It takes time to make it look half decent. At its simplest, you could just put in a single still image background or any image that suits the info that you're providing. If you can take the time to get the perspective, lighting and color grading right, a simple green screen backdrop like an office or lifestyle image can look good if dropped out of focus just a little. It is possible to make images like this work as if real, but allow for a bit of time to get the setup right and then always shoot the same look for consistency and sanity. For more production tips, hit this playlist here, we'll be adding more to it all the time. Why don't you subscribe? Join us on our channel growing mission, and in the description you'll find a link to our Unplugged Club where we'll email you every week with our latest videos.